Hi, I'm Meera from Terra and welcome to Cooking with Terra again. Today we are on day 17 of our 21-day juice class. And today the main ingredient for the drink is curry leaf, kadi patta, karvepillai. Karvepillai is not a very rare ingredient. It's there in almost every dish you make. But also this is one item we tend to remove from every dish we make. If you find கருவேப்பிலை floating on your rasam, நல்லா அப்படி பொறுக்கி ஒரு ஓரமாக வச்சுருவோம். அப்புறம் அதே மாதிரி பொரியல்லேருந்து எடுத்து ஓரமாக வச்சுருவோம். So today we are now going to try to integrate this into a drink so that you don't remove it. So today's drink is actually what I'm liking to call super greens neermor. And the first super green that we are using for this is curry leaf. It's super simply because of the amount of vitamins it contains. It is great in vitamin C, vitamin A, vitamin E, but more importantly it's very rich in iron and helps to raise your hemoglobin levels naturally. It helps to fight your anemia naturally. A lot of women have fluctuating hemoglobin levels, especially as you get older, and this is one good way to deal with that. So the first super green is curry leaf. The second super green that we are using for today is moringa. I'm using a moringa powder today. You could also use moringa leaves, little sparingly because it could be quite bitter. So moringa is again a superfood. It is a great antioxidant. It's a super liver detox, but it's also a fantastic natural antibiotic because it cures internal infections, but without all the gut destroying properties of a conventional antibiotic medication. Apart from being a natural antibiotic, it's also a natural antacid. So when you club it with a probiotic like buttermilk, this is a very good recipe to deal with any kind of acid reflux and to soothe your stomach. So we now have curry leaves and moringa, and the third super green that we are going to be using for today is spirulina. Spirulina is a super food again, touted all over the world for its great properties. It's a blue-green algae essentially. It's a super detox. It detoxifies your liver well. It helps in detoxifying heavy metals from your system. And it also helps to repopulate your gut with good bacterial flora. So it helps in dealing with things like leaky gut syndrome and to heal your gut actually. And apart from that, it's a superb source of iron and helps in fighting anemia by raising your hemoglobin levels. So that is your third super green, spirulina. And the fourth super green that we are going to be using for today is wheatgrass. We are using a wheatgrass powder today. If you have access to natural wheatgrass, you can use that also. Wheatgrass again, super iron and very rich in calcium and magnesium also. And the common property for all of this, apart from being that they are very iron rich, is that they are rich in chlorophyll. And chlorophyll again is a very powerful element in these leaves, because in natural treatments of cancer, for example, they say that the chlorophyllin in chlorophyll is actually when it encounters the cancer cells, they say that the cancer cells undergo what is called a cell arrest. So it sort of prevents the proliferation of the cancer cells, and therefore this chlorophyllin is used in natural therapies to even reduce the size of a cancer tumor, to prevent the spread of cancer. So there are a lot of good cancer fighting properties in these kind of chlorophyll rich super greens. So today, with your curry leaves, moringa, spirulina and wheatgrass, we are going to be making a super greens neermor. So now let's look at the ingredients required for this super greens buttermilk or the super greens neermor. Let's take a nice handful of fresh green curry leaves, a little more than half a teaspoon of moringa powder, little more than half a teaspoon of spirulina powder, a little more than half a teaspoon of wheatgrass powder, a little pinch of Himalayan salt, finely chopped ginger, a little bit of finely chopped green chilies. And to blend it all together, let's take a full brimming cup of thick yogurt, put it all into the blender with a pinch of asafoetida if you like it. Add another full cup of water so that you get a thin buttermilk consistency. Blend it all together really well. We are not going to strain this, so let it blend really well. And there it is, it's ready. A beautiful rich buttermilk. So here you are. This is your super greens buttermilk, super greens neermor. This is something it's actually good to even have every day. So you can make it a little easier for yourself. Get the spirulina powder, the wheatgrass powder, and the moringa powder. Make a mix out of all the powders. Keep your green powder ready. Just throw in the curry leaves, the ginger, and green chili. And perhaps at the end of the day after your meal, this would be a good way to finish your day. So definitely try to have this every day. This much amount of chlorophyll and iron and everything will only do you a world of good. So with this, we have come to day 17 of our 21-day juice class. 17 done, 4 more to go.